Do you want to know about electric vehicles? Do you want to know about the mechatronic technologies like ABS, ESP, traction control, and many more? Then this special program is for you guys. Maybe you are from mechanical engineering or electrical electronics or CSIT background. Doesn't matter. If you have interest to learn this, you may join. My name is Rakesh Sharma. I am an automobile engineer and technical trainer. My training seminars are conducted pan-India, including IIT Kanpur, IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, IISc Bangalore, and many more such prestigious institutions, where I deliver over automobile technologies, including vehicle safety, vehicle mechatronics, motorsport science, futuristic vehicles, electric vehicles, and much more. I have served for Indian Navy as design engineer, where I used to design their warships. I have also been on project work with Maruti Suzuki. To understand the mechatronic technologies, we are going to use the videos and this KTM RC390 motorcycle. And to understand the electric vehicle drive, we are going to do practical with this kit having high RPM motor, this lithium-ion battery, controller, and balance charger. The content of this program is designed in such beautiful way so that participants may get all their answers. We are going to discuss how torque, RPM, and horsepower, they all are related to each other. Beside this, we are going to also talk about how ABS, ESP, traction control, such kind of mechatronic technologies work. I am not talking about the introduction part only. I am talking about the basic algorithm and the logics these technologies follow to act. Because lot of time, I heard this from the students that they know the basics of CSIT, they know the basics of mechanical engineering, they know the basics of electrical electronics, but they do not know how to fuse them all and to apply this for any feasible project. So here we are going to talk about the algorithm, the logics over which these technologies act and they are developed. Now let's talk about the benefits. First of all, this wonderful syllabus is for you guys because nobody here in India is going to talk about the logics of mechatronic technologies. The next advantage is the certificate. You are going to get company's authorized certificate. Besides this, you are also going to get the recording of the whole webinar. And we are also offering you the money back guarantee. If because of any reason you do not like the program, you can get your money back. Next is how to participate. If you are watching this video on YouTube, you can click on the link given in the description or you may call on the given number. Our team will get back to you, where you can decide on which date you want to participate in this program. One day before the program, you are going to get a link on your mail ID where you will click and can directly enter to my classroom. That simple it is. Now let's talk about the fee of this program. The fee is kept very affordable to everyone. Fee is just 400 Indian rupees. Now what are you thinking of? Go and just click the link and get enrolled.